So Sylvia, it's basically like. So.
Dr. Gulani, I just want
Steve, Jill, how are you?
We're good. How are
Good to see
you?
you again.
Great to see you guys. Good to see you.
Listen, I just wanted to tell you that I'm forever grateful for what you've done for me for my cataract surgery, the teachings that you do for the industry, and your love and desire to impart your knowledge and skills upon the industry. It's like trying to turn an aircraft carrier. I know it's a big thing to do, and I've brought you a little something to memorialize the effort and the time that you put in to trying to turn that aircraft carrier. Would you please accept this little gift of our appreciation?
You guys don't have to, Jill.
No, we know we don't, but this is something that we had talked about
Thank you.
immediately.
You're
And
welcome.
I will not forget that discussion. You first, when your eye surgeon sent you to me because of your horrible arcade cuts and readjustment cataract, you had said this to me, aircraft carrier, and I had understood. So what are you doing?
I'll take a look. I think you'll like it.
Oh my God. Wow, Steve. That's awesome. Thank you so much.
Just to remind you that you are indeed trying to turn this aircraft carrier. You're out there working on that really hard. It takes a lot of effort to turn that thing.
Impromptu videos you guys are doing. See, I cannot hug you guys today.
I know.
COVID
It's
precautions and
sad.
stuff, but love the fact. And how are you doing? You went back to your surgeon after your surgery?
Yes, I have. Yep.
Excellent.
I told her what fantastic results I've gotten, and she was very appreciative of that.
Jill, love
Yep.
it. Thank you so much, guys.
You're welcome.
Thank you.